Hi there, and thank you for your interest in our on-demand learning. You're looking at our training trial, which allows you to get a peek at limited access of our 60-plus courses. Through our trial, we also provide complete unlimited access to both Dashboard in a Day and App in a Day courses. You have lifetime access to those, you can watch them as much as you want, and we update the content on those. Our other training courses, which you have limited access, are part of our paid subscription. So you can look at whether or not it makes sense to purchase our enterprise training, our elite training, or perhaps our Power BI packages. So these different packages give you different levels of the amount of courses that you're provided or the amount of licenses that you'll need. Our training is purchased or licensed per person, and you can determine whether or not you would like to purchase at an annual or a monthly interval. So you can determine what's most appropriate for you. If you have any questions about your training trial, you can email us at training@pragmaticworks.com, and you have 7 days now to test it out and test drive it and see if it's what's best for you. So let us know if there's anything we can assist you with, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you so much.